who you fucking with? Got my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch. Fucking all night, nigga, we ain't selling beats. Niggas say I'm too dope, I ain't selling it. Born fresher than a motherfucking peppermint. Cold leather mix, last king killing shit. Last king, yeah, we getting rich. I got your main bitch on my dick. Come on, yeah, you know what it is? Rack City bitch, Rack City bitch, Rack City bitch, Rack City bitch, 10, put your motherfucking hands up. Rack City bitch, 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 10, 20s on your face, bitch. I'm a motherfucking star. Look at the paint on the car. Too much rim, make the right too hard. Tell that bitch hop out, walk the boulevard. Clap, 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 with my money pronto. Get it in the morning like a Lonzo. Rondo, we got keys like a nacho. If you ain't got no rap, bitch, wear poncho. Head honcho, got my seat back on. Niggas staring at me, don't get back on. Got my shirt off, the club 2-pack on. It's 2-turn, going up like gas. God damn, pull out my rags. Mike Jackson, nigga, young bad. Rat-tat-tat-tat, it up in my bag. All the O's love me, you know what it is? Rack City bitch, 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 10, put your motherfucking hands up. Rack City bitch, 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 10, 20s on the, let's go. Man, pass me the, I told her pass me the, I told her pass me the, Rubbing on my chain, blowing cloudmatic. Smoke something with a G and bring that ass backwards. Lay back, relax and talk mathematics. Later on we test a little sex practice. Write my name on the wall. Money in the matches, but she wanna get involved. She hop on the blunt, say, what the hook y'all? I tell her pass back, if the shit too strong, it's all set. Mozart art on the block so wet. I got a wild boner and I ain't done yet. Looking at your future, baby, put down the cigarette. Come hop on this cush jet and take flight, yeah. Tell the bitches, fuck that. You with a ladder that I got a magic carpet. But that ass shit, I'm on so on. I got 2 ounces on me, big homie, young thugger, rolling Rosewood. So sing it, baby, pass me the, come on, yeah. I told her pass me the, what you say? Come on, I said, yeah, baby, just pass me the. One time, say, come on, yeah, I touch, come on, I touch. Big Frank baddies in the Benz wagon, you know she wanna ride home, hop on the bandwagon. I got the chain sagging, you know the life lavish, lifestyles like this gon' need magnums. Pass, baby, welcome to rich class, baby. You all Maybelline, with your new Celine. On the Mars zone, lean, car zone sheen. Your white girl, but black girl, got a fly tank. It's verified, they ain't on your sea level, water eyes don't cry. Inhale and breathe regular. My baby on it, high in the crack it on it. Body shape, figure 8 like Picasso draw ya. Oh yes, I'm winning, blinking, ring blinking like life. Let's get closer, closed in. Remove your clothes, we close friends. Don't get choked smoking, OG, Oakland. Make some noise for yourself one time. Pass me the, yeah, I try to pass me the. Come on, yeah, baby, just pass me the. Right side say, pass me. Left side say, come on, everybody say, pass me the. All the ladies hands up, ladies hands up, ladies arms up. Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Come on. She like tanning, I like standing. She like romancing, I like vulnerable friends. She said I'm caged in, I think her conscience is. She watching that oxygen, how my ESPN. But when that show ends, she all on my skin. No chance of emotions, while I'm coasting like back book. Hold it. She pose like this for posters, then I poke like I'm supposed to. Take this photo, you want me? She said, don't you ever show this, I'm too loyal. It's too focused, till me lose it, yeah, and be hopeless. Hey, when I smoke this, give me joystick, take your words, get me open. So I close it, when you close it, somebody love it. Put a moment, hands up. I be stuck to you like swing it. Wanna spend it all on. Swing it. My bro, Mr. Call me Mr. I can make you. Yeah, come on, I can make you. Yeah, I can make you.
Boss nigga alive.
I love y'all. Make some motherfucking noise. One time. So, all my homies, make some motherfucking